Step out of the vehicle for me.
You okay? What's up?
What?
What's going on? All right?
All right. Fine.
Okay.
On the evening of July 16th, 2023, Flagler County Sheriff's Office dispatch received a report of a black Mercedes driving in the wrong lane and nearly causing a head-on collision. Deputies located the vehicle at Old Kings Road and State Road 100 and attempted a traffic stop, but the driver refused to stop and continued driving until reaching the Advent Health Palm Coast Emergency Room parking lot, where he finally parked. Deputies identified the driver as 48-year-old Michael Alfonso, a habitual drunk driver with 3 prior DUI convictions. Alfonso was uncooperative and appeared severely intoxicated. Due to his condition, deputies transported him via wheelchair directly from the traffic stop into the emergency room to be evaluated for any medical issues. He was subsequently placed under arrest.
Alpha 224 Flagler, 1065, 1050 on that vehicle. It's going to be 100, westbound at Memorial Medical. It's Florida tag, correction, Texas tag, Romeo Sierra Yankee 0297, RSY 0297. It's a black Mercedes, signal 12.
10 Flagler, I'm with them. He is turning into the hospital. 23.
Dispatch has been...
14 Flagler, can you show me out with L 25, please? 10.
Alpha 224 Flagler.
Alpha 224.
Vehicle's still rolling. Can you go ahead and give us 1033 till further?
Flagler units, 1033 traffic on primary. All other units switch to teletype.
Stop the vehicle, pull over, do it now.
110, he's not fleeing, but he's not stopping. Is there anybody else in the top there?
Dispatch has been updated.
224, we got that vehicle stopped.
Denver, still at the hospital?
What are you doing?
What?
We've had our lights and sirens on since I-95, and you've taken this long to pull over. Any reason?
Go ahead and clear the channel.
Huh?
Yeah.
Okay. You're driving all over the road too. You're not maintaining your lane. You almost blew through that red light. Are you having any kind of a medical emergency?
No.
What's that?
No.
Okay. Can you make a favor, shut the vehicle off? Shut your vehicle off for me. Shut your vehicle off. Turn the car off. It is a very simple thing I'm asking you to do. Let me see your keys. Hand me your keys.
No.
Hand me your keys.
No.
Okay, step out of the vehicle for me. Step out of the vehicle. Step out of the vehicle for me.
Come on out, bud. You okay? I'm still doctored in the office because I haven't.
You can.
married.
Come on.
You alright?
No.
What's going on? What's up?
What?
What's going on?
I don't know.
Well, I asked you if you were alright and you said no.
Correct.
So what's going on? Why aren't you okay? Why aren't you okay? What's going on?
So what's going on with you, Mike? Because you're driving all over the road, okay? You ran off the road a couple times, all right?
That's fine.
Well, no, it's not fine. That's why you're being stopped. And then we had our lights and sirens on behind you. You weren't stopping for us. So, like, what's going on?
I don't know what you said when you say things are not of.
Well, we got an ambulance coming to check on you, man.
426
Well, you're not.
I'm not being a
You are.
nope, not yet. Okay. Well,
Man, you're not.
on your back.
Yeah.
All right.
Fine.
Okay.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I just
Yep. Absolutely.
took him showing his ass.
You.
I'm
Look at me, this shit.
Mike, you're under arrest for driving under the influence.
Great. You're not.
I know I'm an ass.
It's Sunday.
Alfonso was charged with felony DUI, his fourth offense with 3 prior convictions and 2 counts of failure to obey law enforcement. He was booked into the Sheriff Perry Hall inmate detention facility on a $26,000 bond. Court records show the original felony DUI charge, which had initially been filed as a 4th or subsequent offense, was reduced and transferred to county court as a 3rd offense DUI, more than 10 years from a prior conviction. On March 21, 2024, Alfonso entered a no contest plea and was found guilty on both counts. He was sentenced to 30 days in county jail with credit for time, served 12 months of supervised probation, a 2-year ignition interlock requirement, a suspended driver's license, and $2,606 in fines and court costs. A probation violation affidavit was filed in June 2024, resulting in an order to show cause hearing in July 2024. Alfonso completed probation with a notice of completion filed in September 2025. The case is now closed. Alfonso satisfied all financial obligations totaling $2,606 and completed his supervised probation. His decision to ignore deputies and drive to a hospital emergency room, combined with a history of repeat DUI offenses, made this a notable case of habitual impaired driving that posed serious danger to the public.